In today's video, I show you how to create this eyeshadow look. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. Feel free to stick around and subscribe. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you want to see how I created this eyeshadow look, make sure you keep on watching. I want to thank my friend for letting me borrow her palette. This is actually brand new. She let me borrow it for a video, and then obviously I'm going to return it to her. I already took it out of the packaging and everything like that, but I just wanted to thank her for that. This is specifically the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel palette. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside before we start, creating a look. Let me take the brush out. I haven't decided if I want to use the brush or not. I feel like maybe I should, to kind of get a full effect of, the palette and everything like that. And then I'll wash it obviously before giving it back to her. But this is what it looks like on the inside. It is a lot more cool toned than I normally go for my eyeshadow palettes. But also it's, it's good to go out of your comfort zone. Also, another thing that I want to mention is this is a lot earlier than I normally film. I normally film midday around 2 p.m. or something like that. This is still the morning, so the sun obviously is in a different position. I know that those blinds, like you can kind of see the blinds back there, but I feel like if I open them up all the way, then it'll be way too bright. And also, it was the perfect time for me to film because I have, some self tanner on, and might as well utilize that. I don't know. Would that be just too distracting? Let me try to fix it. This is what we're gonna go with. This light. Okay, maybe if but I won't be able to be centered because then. So yeah, I'm gonna be a little off center, and hopefully that's not too distracting. I think I will actually use this brush once again. I wasn't intending to. This would be like a good blending brush, a little bit of a shader brush. So I'm going to go in with my Luxie 243 with a transition color. I'm gonna use the shade Bybel right here. This is a really, really pretty color. This is similar to my Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves palette. It reminds me of one of the colors, or maybe like a mixture of them or something like that. But I do like this. I typically do go for more warmer tone looks, but I do like my Marvelous Mauves, like having that cool tone look every now and then as well. Also, I did already prime my eyes with the Smashbox Shadow Primer. I have also already moisturized my face whenever I get into the foundation and that kind of thing. If I forget to mention that, I have already moisturized my face as well. I have played around with this a little bit. I've done more warmer toned looks because there are some, you might still think that they're cool toned. Well, actually maybe they are, but this especially, like this looks a little warmer toned to me, right? So yeah, I have used this palette a little bit since she let me borrow it. This is pretty. I say, okay, I'm wearing a cool tone look, and I'm doing a cool tone eyeshadow look, and then I'm wearing a warm tone shirt. Wow, Hannah, you really thought that out. I'm gonna use the blending brush side of this to blend this out. This isn't my favorite blending brush. I am really used to my Sigma one, but once again, I did obviously want to use that in the look. Okay, so whenever she was telling me about this palette, she specifically mentioned the purples. I think I'm going to do a pink and purple look. I really want to incorporate this shade Aura, and then I'm thinking this color right here as well above it. Okay. Let me try with the shader side of the brush. I'm going to go in with Aura first. This is really sparkly and really beautiful. Oh wow, this is even prettier than I was planning on or expecting. This is so glittery. I hope it kind of shows how glittery it is. Like, wow, that is beautiful. Just kind of patting this on. I am like sliding it, but I'm also mostly patting it. I think that this would be even, well, I don't know, but I am curious to see what this looks like whenever it's sprayed with setting spray. But it didn't bring my setting spray in here. I think I might Might actually go get that. But first, yeah, I think it would be better with whenever it's wet. First, I want to apply the shade right above it on like my outer half of my lid, and I'm gonna use the other side of the brush. This has a duochrome, like it looks like it has blue glitter in it as well. I don't know how pigmented it's gonna be on its own. Actually, I feel like that might work better applying it with my finger. But I'm also a little curious how that would look whenever it's wet as well. There is fallout with this, so I'm glad that I'm doing my face makeup afterwards. You kind of blend this together. I think I'm gonna go in with this color because this looks pink and purple. In theory, we'll see. We'll see how it looks. Maybe, yeah, I think that would work. It's like a different formula, but I think it works. And then let me go get my setting spray and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm going to spray my brush with this eye that I used the pink to pick up the pink eyeshadow. Then I'm going to apply some more of that pink color. Yeah, it looks more metallic now, which I feel like kind of goes with the next color. Also, this is giving me cotton candy vibes now. Okay, use that blend. This is very different than my typical eyeshadow look. Once again, it's good to change it up, go outside of your comfort zone. I'm gonna use this brush to highlight my brow bone, and I'm going to use this matte cream color. I think it's matte. Or satin. Has a little bit of a sheen. You wipe away that fallout, but then I kind of, I want it like a little bit more glitter at the end, on the outside. Just a little bit more. This is definitely a lot of glitter. And there probably is still gonna be some glitter on my face, and we're just gonna have to go with it. The primer that I'm gonna be using today on my face is not my personal favorite, but I do have like a little sample size of it, so I am going to be using that. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This isn't my personal favorite face primer, but my eye primer is from Smashbox. That is the Smashbox Shadow Primer, 24-hour Shadow Primer, something like that. A big fan of that. I've been using that for a while. So I'm saying that to say, you know, obviously I do like other Smashbox products. And since I do have a little bit of a self-tan, I really struggle with things falling or whatever. Anyway, I do have a little bit of self-tanner on, or somewhat, but anyway, so I am going to be mixing the shades 20NN and 30NN from, you know, this is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation. I just mix them on the back of my hand. I do have a backup of the 30NN, which I'm glad because I'm running low on this one. Yeah, this eye look, definitely different. I like how it turned out though. Don't worry, I'll put on mascara and stuff so you can kind of see more of the finished look. This is the It brushes for Ulta. It's a foundation brush, I believe it is. I don't think I'm gonna blend like all the way down to my neck because I really don't want to get a foundation on this. I say that and continue blending. The Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fairlight Neutral. I'm going to set my under eyes rather with the Revlon Banana Light Baking Powder. This is an Alamar brush. I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup and then I'll come right back. I did the rest of my makeup. I really like how, I don't know, the lipstick that I used the Rush lip liner from Urban Decay, and then I used the lipstick in the shade Back Talk. Also, I was just looking at like the rest of my shirt has like this like sunset, like this is cooler toned, right? Right? Maybe that's how I thought it was gonna go. I don't know, it bothers me. Anyway, my hair is also getting really long. Stay focused, Hannah. This is the completed look. Let me kind of give you an up close, especially of the eyes. If you liked this video, make sure you click right here. Check out this video right here. Thank you so much to my friend for letting me borrow her palette. Once again, thank you also for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.